So let's start, everyone. Let's begin by standing with your legs shoulder width apart, with your toes pointing forward, and just soften your knees a little bit and feel your spine lengthen long. And place your hands on your lower belly for some deep belly breathing. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you inhale, feel your abdomen expand. And then exhale out through your nose and feel your abdomen soften. So deep belly breathing is a wonderful way to begin our practice. So as you inhale, feel the abdomen expand like a balloon. So the belly button is pushing away from your spine. And then as you exhale out, feel your belly button pull inward towards your spine. So allow your belly to move. When we take deep breaths, we draw energy and power to the center of the body. And this is where we store, this is where our power is located, the center of the body. Take another breath in. And breathe it out. Now let's do another deep breathing technique. Chi belt breathing. So you'll just take the hands and you'll place them at the sides of the body, just below your rib cage. And feel your hands gently press in. And as you inhale, feel that expansion, but this time, feel as though your body is pushing against your hands. And then as you exhale, feel the hands draw inward towards the body. And again, deep breath in. And deep breath out. Keep going. This breathing technique really stretches the diaphragm muscle. And when the diaphragm muscle moves, it also gives the internal organs a lovely massage. Let's do that one more time. Good. So let's move on to the next exercise, knocking on the door of life. So we're going to turn from your hips and your waist. And as you do so, you'll just wrap your arms around your lower back and your waist, activating key pressure points in the abdomen and in the lower back. Again, bringing energy and power to the kidneys, giving ourselves a little energy boost. And this exercise is also great for invigorating your spine, the spinal joints. We're moving in two of the ranges of motion that the spine can do. So rotation to the right and the left. Now allow your front arm to tap the chest, so right in the corner of your chest, underneath your collarbone. And the back arm still taps on the lower back. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Now allow the hand to tap on the shoulder. Shoulder and the base of the neck. Releasing any lines of tension in the neck and shoulders. Let's go back to the chest again. Again, moving from the center of your body, spine is long and relaxed shoulders. Let's go back to the waist again. Looking a little bit more over your shoulders so you get that full rotation of your spine from the top to the bottom. Now allow your movement to slowly unwind. Slowly unwind until you are still. And just take a moment to observe the energy circulating through your body in the stillness. Keep the arms down by the sides of your body. Pull your fingers back. And as you pull your fingers back, feel that nice stretch through your forearms. Now bring your ear to your shoulder. So you have your right ear to your right shoulder and feel that nice stretch along the side of your neck. And then keeping your ear towards your shoulder, you're just going to roll your head back as if the back of the head is going towards the back of the shoulder. And then your ear is towards your shoulder. You're going to roll your head forward, bringing your chin towards the front of your shoulder. So we roll forward and back over the shoulder. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Stretching out lines of tension in the neck, shoulders, and upper back, as well as in your forearms. It's good to stretch out the forearms because we use our hands so much, our arms so much. And it's good to stretch out the neck. So let's take the head over to the other side. It's good to stretch out the neck because we hold a lot of tension and tightness in the neck and shoulders and upper back. Oh, feel that nice stretch. And then roll the head back. And then slowly roll it forward. Spreading the feathers. Good. Bring your chin to your chest, relax your arms. Lift your head. Now let's do another variation on that exercise. So we were working on stretching the inside of the arms, and the last one, the yin surfaces of your arms. Now you're going to stretch the yang surface, which is the outside of your arms. Bring your fingertips together and draw your arms out to the sides. Soft elbows and relaxed shoulders, ear to your shoulder. Roll the head back. And then forward. Taking your time, and just notice any differences, any changes in your neck and shoulders and upper back now, because this is the second time we've done this exercise. Just a slightly different focus. Maybe your neck and shoulders and upper back, let's go to the other side. Maybe they're a little bit more relaxed now. Good. Bring your head forward, relax your arms, shake out your arms. So the next exercise we're going to do is called Bear Swims in the Ocean, but in reverse. The reason why I wanted to do this exercise is because I love the movement. It's wonderful, and a wonderful exercise to open up the upper back. We tend to hold a lot of tension in the upper back. And also, it's a great exercise to open the heart. So we talked about, in the beginning of this video, I talked about how a lot of us are opening up. A lot of us are being broken open. Our hearts are breaking open. And this is a wonderful exercise to help us open our hearts, become a little bit more loving and compassionate, less impatient, allow us to feel less hate, less frustration. So we start with the arms by the sides of the body, palms facing up, open the chest. We take the arms back and then out to the sides, around the spine as the arms come forward. We spiral the arms, palms face up, and then we pull the arms back to the chest. Take a deep breath, and then exhale. Inhale, and exhale. I'll face you again. So the arms and the hands are connected to the heart. So the heart meridian begins in the armpit and travels down the inside of the arm and ends on your pinky finger, I believe. And then there's also a meridian, the pericardium, that runs down the inside of the arm as well. And they're both related to the heart. So we take the arms out to the sides, we open up those meridians, this inside of the arms, and then we pull back, opening the chest, feeling the heart. As the arms reach out in this horizontal plane, we are connecting to nature. So we're drawing the energy of the trees, the plants, the people, the animals, and we're drawing them into the body, into the heart. And then we're also sharing the energy of our hearts out with the world. Let's do this 3 more times. Bear swims in the ocean in reverse. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Good, and relax your arms down.